Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kirti. If you're new here, in this video I'm going to try out a lot of viral products that I've been seeing all over my internet, and these products has been a rage since like an year and two, and I finally decided to give all of these products a try. So I have everything from skincare, makeup removal to hair care and body care, and some of these products were hits and some were the misses, but that's what happens. So I feel like you should definitely read about these product and the ingredients that it has before ordering it. You should not just blindly watch anyone talk about a product and just go order it. So just try to do research thoda beforehand before ordering these, because something that might work for my skin might not work for your skin as well. And I feel like I'm very easily influenced when I see people talking about any of the product that is really doing wonders for them and they are liking it. So obviously I did order quite a lot of them, and इस point पे I think 1-2 महीना हो गया है मेरे को सारा product use करते हुए. So I feel like this was the right time to sit down and make like a video where I talk about the hits and misses that I experienced. So yeah, that's it. Without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the first product. It is from Innisfree. It's their super volcanic pore clay mask, and I have tried it like twice abhi tak, and I did not like it. Like, people are talking about how it cleans their skin and their skin feels so soft and breathable and everything, but for someone whose skin is like normal to dry sometimes when season changes and things like that, I did not like it. I felt like my skin was very like irritated after using this. Both of the time my skin felt very stretchy and not that nice. मेरे को कुछ भी ऐसा clean या कुछ भी जो भी इसके बारे में claims था, I did not find it to be true. But yeah, for my friend who tried it, she does not have like a sensitive skin, but she does have a oily skin. For her, she said that it felt really great. So I feel like for someone with an oily skin, it will really work. So if you are looking for a very nice affordable clay mask, this is it for you. I think it is a thumbs up for someone who has an oily skin. So for the second product, I have this face wash जो कि हम सबको देख रहे हैं यूज करते हुए. So I saw Malvika talk about it. I also saw Mrunal talk about it. I have seen like a couple of influencers talk about this, and they have also claimed that you don't know what clean is up until you have used this face wash, and it claims to be for all skin types. ऐसा कुछ specific skin type के लिए नहीं है ये भी. So usually I use the Cetaphil cleanser, which is not foaming at all, and this was something new for me. So it foams and it is very nice. I would say it does clean your face. Face wash और तो क्या ही करेगा. But then for the price, I don't feel like you should be spending so much. Like, go ahead if you have the money to buy it. Obviously it is like really good, like it does clean your face and everything, but उसके अलावा additional कोई भी benefit नहीं है इस face wash का. But I do think कि ये काफ़ी लंबे टाइम तक चल जाएगा, because इसका बहुत छोटा सा अमाउंट लेना होता है. like उसमें ही पूरा face आराम से ये clean कर देता है. It's not like you need a lot of it. So yeah, that's it for the second product. So for the third product, I have this Bioderma का moisturizer. If you guys have seen my old skincare video that I filmed I think last year, I used to use the CeraVe का बड़ा डब्बा वाला जो moisturizer होता है for all of my body and face everything. So this year I thought, why not give something new a try. So I tried this Bioderma का moisturizer, and I use this all over my body and my face whenever I want to. It depends obviously, but I did like this a lot. Like, it is a bit sticky. I feel like अगर तुम्हारा स्किन ऑयली है एंड गर्मी का टाइम है तो ये थोड़ा सा स्टिकी हो सकता है, बट इफ यू हैव अ स्किन टाइप लाइक मी, एंड स्पेशली इन दिस सीजन एंड द विंटर्स, आई थिंक इट्स super nourishing and super nice on your body. The feeling, the smoothness, everything is so nice, and the fact that you need the smallest possible amount of this to cover all of your face and everything is really good. So I think काफी लंबा भी चलेगा ये. And as you can see, मैंने आधा ट्यूब अभी खाली कर दिया. I ordered it like a month ago, and तब से I have been applying all over my body, and I would say that this is kind of a drugstore product only, क्योंकि काफी affordable भी है, and एक ट्यूब ले लो तो काफी लंबे टाइम तक चलता है. So definitely a thumbs up for this viral product. I really loved everything about this. Now for the next product, I have a sunscreen, obviously, because I do love trying new sunscreen. Although my trusty dusty sunscreen always remains to be Aqualogica. That's the best. It's very affordable and very good on my skin. I really like the feels and everything. But then I went ahead and finally thought of giving this a try. So obviously you guys know this by the tube only. It is the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. It is a Korean brand, by the way. It is available on Nykaa, and मेरे को ये सेल में मिला था. I thought let's just give it a try. इतने times I have been listening to everyone rave about this brand, and especially उनका ये जो product है specific इसके बारे में. So I thought कि why not go ahead and give it a try, and I think people were right. Like, I am totally soon buy it. I think I have finally found a sunscreen Aqualogica के अलावा जो कि I can use, and this is something that I might purchase even for the second or third or fourth tube. I can see myself doing that because this sunscreen is that good. It's SPF 50 PA plus 4 times plus. So yeah, सन प्रोटेक्शन भी काफ़ी अच्छा देता है ये. विद दैट इट इज़ वेरी स्मूथ ऑन योर स्किन, लीव्स नो वाइट कास्ट, यू नो, एंड स्टिल blends very smooth. So enough about skincare. Now we'll be going towards 2 or 3 makeup products that I have. For the very first product, I think everyone has heard someone or the other talk about this product up until now. So I'm talking about this. It's the Tir Cushion Foundation. By the way, I have done my makeup using this product today. As you can see, this is how it looks on my skin. And I think it is my shade match. So it is in the shade 24 and Latte. By the way, if you're wondering what is your shade, because उनके पास काफ़ी सारा shade range है, you can go on their website or you know their Instagram as well, and वहाँ पे there is some filter test जिसमें कि वो बता देंगे कि आपका exact skin shade match क्या होगा. So this is the match that I got. It is in 24 and Latte, and I feel like it's really good यार. I have been using this with a brush क्योंकि मेरे को उससे इसका finish सबसे best लगा, and you need the smallest possible amount to cover your whole face, and I think the finish and everything is very good. But I do have one complaint about this foundation. I don't know how people are not talking about it, but it does oxidize quite a lot. I don't know why this product is doing like that. Today also I was doing my makeup, so I applied foundation, and after applying foundation I was doing my eyebrows, and तब तक ही मेरा foundation बहुत ज़्यादा oxidize कर गया था. So initially I was thinking कि this is not my shade when I applied it on my face, but then oxidize करके it is exactly my shade. I don't know. That's what makes it very confusing मेरे according, but other than that it is a good product and I have tried it पूरे दिन पहनकर भी, and it does stay on my face. बच तो नहीं करता है. If you obviously you know use a setting powder and a setting spray, it will not budge and be there on your skin. But I do feel like there are better foundations as well in drugstore as well. So Lumi Matte Foundation from Maybelline is really good if you're not willing to like pay such a hefty price. For the next makeup product, I have this concealer by L'Oreal, and please bring more shades. I think अभी भी Nykaa पे 5 shades ही है इसका. It is so good. I really like the coverage and everything, and I have seen everyone talk about this. People are saying that it's a dupe for Tarte, and Tarte is a very expensive brand जो कि इंडिया में अवेलेबल भी नहीं है up until now at least. I have seen it on Amazon although, but मेरे को नहीं पता वो authentic है कि नहीं. But this is something from a drugstore, is something you can definitely give it a try for. I got this concealer for like 500 and it is so worth it. Like sales में तो obviously आपको 500 में मिल जाएगा, but the actual price is also not that much. It's only for 700 I feel like, and the concealer does wonders. It covers so nicely, it stays very nicely, doesn't oxidizes and is not patchy, or you know it does not crease that much. अगर तुम इसको लगाकर and अच्छे से पाउडर से सेट कर दोगे, it will not crease and budge, and the coverage is great. So I think और तो क्या ही चाहिए. For such an affordable concealer, I feel like this is definitely a hit, and it has all the right reasons to be viral. So yeah, I have one blush with me in this video, and I'm talking about this. If you have not seen this up until now, this is Milk Makeup का jelly blush, and it's in the shade Splash. So yeah, रिसेंटली इंडिया में मिल्क लॉन्च हुआ, एंड आई वेंट टू द सेफोरा टू चेक, बट मिल्क के साथ मिल्क में भी दे डिड नॉट ब्रिंग दिस ब्लश पर्टिकुलरली. सो आई वाज लाइक कि थोड़ा और वेट कर ही लेते हैं. लाइक आई थिंक इट वाज अराउंड 6 months अगो. सो आई वाज लाइक कि थोड़ा सा और वेट कर लेते हैं, प्रॉब्ली वो लोग ब्लश भी ले आएंगे. एंड वही हुआ, फेब्रवरी में दे ऑल्सो गॉट द ब्लशेज इन इंडिया. तो फॉर सम रीजन आई डिड नॉट ऑर्डर लास्ट ईयर जब इसका बहुत ज्यादा रेज हुआ था. आई थिंक लास्ट समर्स इट वॉज वेरी ट्रेंडी एंड एवरीथिंग. सो आई डिड नॉट यूज तब तो इसको, एंड आई डिड नॉट इवन ऑर्डर. आई कुड हैव ऑर्डर ऑब्वियसली बाहर के वेबसाइट से, बट देन आई वाज लाइक कि I'll just wait इंडिया में आने के लिए. So this is how the blush looks like, and it is like this jelly thing, and I feel like it's so cute. Like इसको आप obviously, I also apply it on my lips because I like the finish and the color that it gives my lips, and काफी long stay, like काफी देर तक टिकता है इसका pigment. But I have seen everyone talking so good, such good things about this कि मेरा भी expectation I think बहुत हाई था, एंड होना भी चाहिए बिकॉज इट इज फॉर 2K एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. इतना छोटा सा ब्लश इज फॉर 2K. पिगमेंट एंड एवरीथिंग इज रियली गुड. आई विल शो यू. सो दिस इज हाउ द पिगमेंट इज, एंड यू कैन ब्लेंड इट, बट यू गेट वेरी लेस टाइम टू वर्क with the blush because ये तुरंत में ही पैची हो जाता है आपके स्किन पे. एंड आई डोंट नो, आई यूजुअली डोंट यूज इट डायरेक्टली. आई हैव सीन एवरीवन यूजिंग इट डायरेक्टली ऑन दिस फेस. आई डोंट नो हाउ दे आर डूइंग इट. I first put it on my hands or something and then I take it with a brush and then apply it, because that's how the finish is best. Abhi bhi I have applied this blush only. We are done with all the skincare and the makeup that I have. I have two products that are viral for all the right reasons, and these are makeup removal products. So I am talking about Bioderma ka micellar water. So I have been using Garnier काफी times, but then Bioderma is also something जो कि I saw a lot of people talking about and rave about how good this product is. With that, I think you have guessed it by now. I am talking about the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm, and it is not the charcoal variant. It is the normal one. So I got the whole as डब्बा because I have used इसका छोटा वाला size लेकर बहुत पहले ही, and बीच में I was using ELF then, because of course I do want to try थोड़ा बहुत new products जो कि you know it also works on my skin and it's gentle, and still I do like trying products, so इसीलिए. So now I finally got the whole full size वाला डब्बा and it did not disappoint. It is so good. You need the tiniest amount. I think by now मेरे को 6 महीना हो चुका है इस मेकअप रिमूवर बाम को खरीदे एंड इतना ही खत्म हुआ है. अभी भी इसमें अराउंड 80% ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट बचा हुआ है. 80 भी नहीं, आई थिंक 90% ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट अभी भी इसमें बचा हुआ है. सो आई थिंक इट विल वर्क फॉर अनदर लाइक 1.5 साल तो आराम से. आई फील लाइक द हाइप दैट इज अराउंड दिस मेकअप रिमूविंग बाम इज वेरी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, बिकॉज it does everything that it claims to do, and these are the two products that I definitely swear by. I have the next category, that is body care, and body care के लिए I was seeing these two products जो कि हर जगह पे था. So one is a body wash and it is from Dove. So it is their vitamin C exfoliating body wash, and I have been using this since like a month now. I think 1 महीने से ज़्यादा हो गया है मेरे को. And it is their Glow Recharge 30% brightening serum plus vitamin C body wash. It is really good. I feel like it smells really good and it does clean your body really nicely. But उसके अलावा I did not understand what the hype was for about, because exfoliating clay does have small beads in it, but मेरे को नहीं लगता कि ये उतने अच्छे से exfoliate करता है तुम्हारी स्किन को. I don't know, maybe that's just me, but I did not see what the hype was about. Like I did see a lot of influencers talk about it. I did see a lot of people make reels about it as well, but मेरे को नहीं समझ आया कि इसका इतना ज़्यादा hype क्यों बना है. So for the next product, I have this Vaseline Coco Radiant Body Oil, and this also it is a gel body oil. So इसका formula काफ़ी gel जैसा है, as you can see bottle में भी आपको दिख रहा होगा, and you get like this huge bottle for 800, which is a bit pricey, but then I think ये बाहर का product है, that's why ऐसा हो रहा है, and India में इस पे taxes वगैरह ज़्यादा लग रहे हैं, ऐसा मेरे को लगता है. I am not really sure about it, but this product is definitely something that is really really nice. Like मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा moisturizing लगा, like पूरे ठंडे में I used it and still ये खत्म नहीं हुआ है अभी तक भी. Like it makes your body smell really nice. Obviously the smell won't last for very long, but it will linger on your body. It also does give your body like a shine. Like ऐसा कह सकते हो कि it gives your body like a sheen ऐसा करके, and you know it feels like your skin is glowing from within. But मेरे को नहीं लगता कि ये गर्मी में anyone will be able to use it, because it is obviously very thick gel like formula. So I feel like गर्मी में काफी sticky हो जाएगा body पे, and sweat के साथ it would not pair and work nicely, especially for the temperature that we are in. Now for the third body care product, I have a product that really exfoliates unlike the claims that the body wash does. This product really exfoliates your body. So I'm talking about glycolic acid. This is from Ordinary. I have been seeing this on my Pinterest काफी time से. I think it's been more than like 2 years जब से ये product viral हुआ है, and उसके बाद से ये viral ही है. So like exfoliation के लिए when anyone will talk about something, they will definitely talk about this. So I thought why not go ahead and give this product a try. So I have used this on my scalp majorly because मेरे को dandruff का ठंड में problem होता है. So I have used it on my scalp. बाकी तो I have not used it on anywhere else. I have seen people using it on their underarms, elbows and all the थोड़ा dark areas to lighten it. अब मेरे को नहीं पता ये lighten करता है कि नहीं, but for my scalp, if you have a dandruff problem, see, so there's a difference. So you might have dermatitis and you might confuse it for dandruff. So for that it will not work obviously, but if you have like थोड़ा बहुत dandruff जो कि season change होते वक्त होता है, so for that it will definitely work. You need to directly go all over your scalp and apply it on your scalp and leave it for like 15 minutes and just wash it normally. उसके बाद कोई भी smell कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें, so you can just apply it 15-20 minutes के लिए and just wash it, and it does work. Like dandruff बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम हो जाता है, as you can clearly tell by the amount of the product that I have already used. So definitely gets a thumbs up from my side. It is really good. For the last section of this video, I have hair care, because obviously I bleach and color my hair very regularly. Like साल में एक बार तो I always color my hair. It has to be like that. So for a person like me, मेरे को अपने हेयर का ध्यान भी बहुत अलग से रखना पड़ता है obviously. So I do keep trying different products. Recently I don't know what triggered my hair, but my hair was falling quite much. So I did decide to switch few products and include some products into my routines. I have included 2 different products in my hair care routine. अभी तो use करते हुए मेरे को I think 2 months हो गया. So first I'm talking about this Indie Wild का Chumpy hair oil, which is also very much viral इस point पे. And I have been using this इसको 1-2 महीने से, probably 2 महीना, I think December में I ordered this, and I use this before every hair wash. So I wash my hair once in a week, and that just works for my hair like that. So I feel like I don't know if it's doing something extra special for my hair fall, but this does provide the nourishment that it is supposed to provide, and it is also very and it also smells very much like a spa. So I think it does give you that luxurious feel. But other than that, I don't know for 1,000 rupees product what is something so special and different that this product is doing for me. Although I have used half of the bottle, as you can see, आधा और bottle use करके I might definitely change my mind about this, but मेरे को ये नहीं समझ आया specifically कि what is it doing so different for my hair, जिसके कारण ये इतना ज़्यादा hyped है. For 1,000 rupee hair oil, I wouldn't pay it for just the fragrance or anything, right? It does nourishes and everything, but then for that purpose, my normal virgin coconut oil also does the work for me. So one product that has really helped me with my hair fall control is this product from Kerastase. So it is their Kerastase Genesis range, and this is the range जिसको काफ़ी ज़्यादा I have seen a lot of people using this range for specifically for hair fall, क्योंकि ये बनाए पूरा hair fall के लिए. अब I don't know about the shampoo, conditioner and mask because personally I haven't given them a try, but I did see a lot of people talk about this serum particularly, and I thought why not give this a try. So this is something that I have been using around 1.5 महीने से अभी, and as you can see इतना ही खत्म हुआ है. So I use it week में एक बार. Initially I was using it every day, रात में सोते हुए timer लगा के I used to use it every day. So इसको half से भी कम ट्यूब में यूज करना होता है. This product is definitely something I swear by. Like it is so good. I also tried the Wishcare serum, but it did not work on my hair. It even made it worse for me specifically. Like it increased the hair fall. I don't know what people are talking about, that it is decreasing it, but for me it increased it. This product specifically has worked wonders on my hair. Like I can definitely see a change. Like 1 week into using this, and I could definitely see a difference in the amount of hair that I was shedding, and I really loved the feel and everything. क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल भी oily नहीं है. Like even if you have a oily scalp, इसको just तुम थोड़ा सा dropper में लो and you have to apply it all over your head अच्छे से, and it is not at all oily. You won't even feel like तुम्हारे बाल में कोई product लगा है, and you won't feel any such build up or anything because of this. That's why I also love it even more. If you are struggling from hair fall, you should definitely give this product a try. And then obviously it is very expensive, but I would say that the bottle is very huge, and I feel like कि 1 साल तो आराम से चल जाएगा ये. And if you are really struggling with hair fall problem, you should definitely give this one a try. And it also works for the hair growth simultaneously with stopping the hair fall. So I feel like I do see some small baby hairs as well on my head. So if you are looking for one product out of this video जो कि hair fall के लिए, and your concern is major hair fall and hair growth, go for this product. Like don't even think twice, just go and get this product for yourself and your problem would be solved. This is my claim at least, and that's how good this has worked on my hair especially. So these are all the viral products that I tried. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below for what you would like to watch next. All the links will be down in the description. Thank you.